If you're using Windows 11, PowerShell is already a powerful tool for managing files, checking system information, running commands, and automating tasks. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to open PowerShell, understand the interface, run basic commands, and use it safely. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for PowerShell. You can select the regular PowerShell application from the results. You can also click the Start button and use the available terminal option, then open a PowerShell tab. Both methods give you quick access to the command line. When PowerShell opens, you'll see a prompt where you can type commands. The prompt shows your current location in the file system. You can enter a command, press enter, and PowerShell will display the result. If a command produces an error, you'll usually see a message explaining what went wrong. Let's start with file navigation. Type get location to see your current folder. Then use get child item to list the files and folders inside it. To move into another folder, use set location, followed by the folder path. For example, you can type set location documents if a documents folder is available. PowerShell can also manage files directly. Use new item to create a file or folder, copy item to copy something, move item to move it, and rename item to rename it. To remove an item, you can use remove item. Always double-check the path before deleting anything. You can also use PowerShell for system information. For example, Get Computer Info can display detailed information about Windows and your computer. For network details, try Get Net IP address. And if you want to see running processes, Get Process provides a useful list. If you're not sure how a command works, PowerShell has built-in help. Type get help followed by the command you're interested in. For example, get help get process. You can also use get command to discover available commands, so you don't have to memorize everything. And that's the basics of using PowerShell on Windows 11. Open it, learn the prompt, navigate folders, manage files, check system information, and use built-in help whenever you need it. With a little practice, PowerShell becomes a really useful, everyday Windows tool.